9680. If it's running anything before 1.5, it has to be updated to 1.5, which is a 2-part process. Then it has to be updated to 1.51, which is a 1-part process. You then have to obtain 0.08 firmware from the mCloud. All 3 of these updates have to be updated with an Ethernet control port to your computer, and then from there you can then connect it to the HD96 IO box device updater, sync IO, and it should find it. You can see that it is now on the most current 0.08 and is being seen by the HD96.